Hello, in this video I will show you how to integrate Accept Stripe payments with AffiliatePress. Now go to the AffiliatePress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the AffiliatePress integration page. Here you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable Accept Stripe Payments integration and set other options. AffiliatePress provides exclude shipping, exclude taxes, and reject commission on cancel order options. Now set your requirements wise. After that, click to Save button and save your changes. See? Changes saved. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the AffiliatePress Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. The customer opens your link and then purchases the Accept Stripe Payment integration product. Now, open the Accept Stripe Payment integration product page. Click to View Item button for your purchase. This is the product details page. Now, click to Buy Now button. Enter the basic details and card details and then click to Pay button. See, the gold product is purchased. Now go to the Backend side commission page. This is the AffiliatePress commission page. Here you can see all the commission-related entries. See, the first entry is Accept Stripe Payment Integration Gold Product Commission. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the AffiliatePress Affiliate panel. Now open the Commission tab. Here you can see commission-related records. Affiliate User also sets Disable Commission on a product-wise. Go to the Accept Stripe Payment Integration Products page. This is the Accept Stripe Payment Integration Product page. This is the product page where you can see the AffiliatePress Commission Settings tab. Enable this option and disable commission in this product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.